Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to adjust steering wheel Tesla Model X. Go to Controls on the touchscreen, tap Quick Controls, then Steering Wheel. Adjust tilt and telescoping while parked for safety. Use Driver Profile to save positions, and fine-tune using steering column buttons if available. Check mirror and seat positions after adjusting to ensure proper sightlines. If settings don't save, reboot the center display. Also consult the manual for specifics. Start with the seat and mirrors position for comfort, then select your driver profile on the touchscreen. Open Controls, choose Quick Controls, then Steering Wheel, and use the on-screen sliders to set tilt and telescoping. Confirm reach by placing hands at 9 and 3 and checking visibility of the instrument cluster. Save the setting to your profile. If multiple drivers use the car, create distinct profiles for each and test each saved position. Quick recommendation: if you're tired of driving home in a cabin that smells like gym socks, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, clean scent that lasts. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful walkthroughs. I've put a link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If adjustments seem stuck, confirm the vehicle is in park and the steering lock is disengaged before trying again. Reboot the center display if sliders don't respond or profile saves fail, as many UI glitches resolve after a restart. If the wheel feels offset after setting, restore defaults and reconfigure from scratch, then save to the driver profile. For persistent hardware problems, contact service for a diagnostic and possible mechanical inspection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.